Eric and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and we're doing a banana testing today of the Ebon Musak variety. I know absolutely nothing about this particular variety. Celeste, do you know much about it?
I don't. I know that it's ripe when it's green, and so I was really not excited about growing this banana, but I like trying them, and this is the first time ours produced. And I thought it'd be really hard to know when to pick them, but we just let them fall, so you can see this one's dangling off.
Kind of break off when they're ripe.
That's how you know. That's how I know.
I've never tasted one of these. She has. She says they're good, so this will be my first one. So it's got a medium thickness of skin, and they are green. I don't like all little green.
I don't either, and I feel like sometimes those stick on more when they ripen in the winter. Like they develop a little bit better when it's warmer.
It's a very fluffy banana.
Really?
I think that's...
Okay. To me, it's got the texture of a grocery store banana.
Well, that's to me, that's what a fluffy banana is. Even more airy than that, though. It's kind of...
That's true. And it's sweet.
To me, it tastes like a slightly underripe grocery store banana. It's got that, you know, when you eat a grocery store banana that's still a little green, you're left with that kind of stickiness in your mouth.
Because I don't feel like that's...
This is better.
Okay.
Mine's a little greener than that, I guess. Yeah, that one's better than this one. This one's tastes like a slightly underripe grocery store banana, but they're both similar. Maybe a slightly bit sweeter than. I'm gonna try that one and see if you agree with me on it.
Yeah, that one's sweeter, but I find this nice. The main thing is we have one child who only likes grocery store bananas.
Well,
And she really likes this one.
yeah, it's like a slightly sweeter grocery store banana.
Yeah.
But yeah, even a grocery store banana, unless they're... Here's what I don't like about grocery store bananas. And I guess we can call those Cavendish. It's probably not actually Cavendish. It's that they're from a grocery store because they're picked super, super green and they're shipped from Ecuador and Central America and different places. And so they're not ripened like proper fruit should be. But they always kind of have that, and I can taste it with this a little bit, but it's that...
Starchiness?
Maybe. It's not astringency, but it's a dry mouthy kind of, there's something, there's a coating in there that I don't like. And even when a grocery store banana is fully ripe, there's still something of that still there that a homegrown, really good fresh banana doesn't have. This still feels like that's got a little bit of that.
Yeah.
But again, maybe it's because I ate that one and it was a green banana is hard to tell when it's perfectly ripe.
Yeah.
So that may be...
But they're a little soft and they fall off, and that's...
Yeah. Well, falling off is a pretty good indicator because it's certainly not going to... Either one of those softer than the other.
I don't know. Valerie wants us to save one for her for the morning.
For Valerie. Okay.
But
So I won't eat another one now just to see.
We'll save one for
but it's good. The plant itself it's what, about a medium height?
yeah, it's a medium height plant.
This hand, as you can see, this whole panicle didn't have a whole lot, 2 hands on it.
What a 3? We ate one. I mean, the girls have been eating a lot of these. I know.
But
I'll definitely keep it just
so
because
yeah, it's
like
good, and
so much.
it's an unusual. I don't know where it's from. Ebon Musak. It doesn't sound.
I don't know.
Doesn't sound African.
So if you know anything, let us know.
Yeah, I'd like if you have any. If you've ever heard of this one. This is one we got, I think, from one of the repositories, and
it came from Chris Knight.
Oh, okay, Chris Knight, a friend of ours who lives up in St. Pete, and we've gotten a number of good things from him. So yeah, I don't know much about it or where it comes from, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's
I'll
very
definitely
similar
keep it.
grocery store banana and but green. So there you have it.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's all I can say about this one, and thanks for watching.
Bye.